everybody. Amazon recently, I think it was today, just opened up a textured hair section on their website. It's all about, black and ethnic hair. And I'm taking a look at it right now for the first time, and I thought I would share it with you. Okay, it's called Textures and Hues. And I guess you can order shampoos and conditioners, oils and serums, styling tools, wigs and weaves, popular accessories. Ooh, and look at some of these styles. Wonderful. Kinky, it says India, Carmen. Oh, look at her cute little afro. And look at these beautiful twists and braids, Tony. Beautiful. And look at this. Relaxed, wavy, curly, coily. Find your hair type. Oh my goodness, they consulted with some sisters before releasing this. And we were able to buy this type of stuff on Amazon already before, but it wasn't all in one place, so this is pretty cool. Side swept waves tutorial, leave-in conditioner, more tutorials. Okay, I'm going to click on some of these links after I scroll to the bottom of the page. Shop by brands. Be nice if, okay, cool, they have mixed chicks. Be nice if they had some other, independent brands. Carol's Daughter, she actually sold that, so that's more corporate now. Okay, let's get back to the top. Let's click on Tony, see if that'll take us anywhere. Okay. Health, fitness, glamorously. Is that even a word? Okay, she's a vegan. Faux locks, main maintenance. Here's some products. Okay, let's see if we see some black castor oil. Okay, I don't see any Jamaican black castor oil. Okay, not bad. Let's click on something else. Let's click on Carmen. She's a cutie pie. Lifestyle, joyfully. She is cute. Okay, look at this. It's a tried and true. A look for Carmen. Okay, here's some. I don't know what glasses have to do with it, but here's some twisting butter and some other recommended products. So that's pretty cool. Okay, let's click on some other links. Let's click on relaxed. Okay, relaxed hair. Keep your relaxed hair healthy, sleek, and chic with products that moisturize, condition, and protect against heat. Okay. Okay, so basically, whatever your hair type, they'll just recommend products. Ooh, look at that long-ass hair. So that's what it basically seems like. Ooh, I love that swoop. You know it won't come like that, right, though? Okay. So that's basically what that is. Let's take a look at the rest of the site. Let's look at the tutorials. Okay. Make waves, what you'll need. Brush, curl, okay, comb. Step 1, start with, okay, so it's like a GIF format. So the tutorial isn't a video really, it's basically just these animated GIFs. Okay. And then with product. Okay, it's not bad. Okay. Let's go back. Okay, let's save with coupons. Okay, we all like to save. Okay, so there's only 3 things that, oh, here's a few more. Carol's Daughter, black vanilla, sulfite free. Okay. Okay, let's see. Where's that cute little girl? There she is. Here, more tutorials. Okay. Formal fishtail bun, half fro hawk, carefree fro, refresh. Let's click twisted double bun. Oh, she cute. Okay, let's do this. Okay, volume up. Okay, so basically she's pinning her hair. Step 2, she's adding all the leave-in conditioner. She has beautiful hair. Step 3, she's spraying it with a refresher spray. Step 4, now she's adding a third product. Ooh, okay. And step 5, use a pick to gently fluff. That wasn't that good of a tutorial. Oh well. Okay, they all can't be great. Okay, let's see what else there is. Let me get out of the tutorials. Okay. So that's basically it. Let me click on one of these things, weaves and wigs. Okay, see what comes up. Versatile style. Okay, Brazilian hair. Okay, so they have some featured hair. And then here's some straight and wavy bundles. Here's some more hair. Oh, she's cute. Let's see. Maybe I should click on that one. Okay, I will click on one just to see what shows up. Okay, it goes directly to a seller. This seller has some bundles and also has a closure. Okay, and then of course there's a bunch down below. I wonder what these people had to pay, if they paid big bucks to be listed here, or if they have great reviews, and that's how. It probably paid. Okay, so that's basically it. Oh, it says you can shop by influencer, Tony, Carmen, and India. So I guess these women are influencers. Huh, okay. And so we've already seen the tutorials, which weren't that great. So everything basically just leads to a product. But, you know, it's not 100% wonderful, but hey, at least they're trying, and I know it's just new out of the box right now, and they'll probably add to it as time goes on. So for right now, I think it's pretty cool. And what I'm going to do is leave a link in the description, and you can check it out yourself, okay? If you have any questions, hit the link or leave comments below, and please don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe. Okay, take care. Good night.